Meet the Crawford OH1042S, the overhead sectional door from ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems. This door moves fast and acts smart to let your business be busy. Save time with an operating speed 4 times faster than its predecessors. Benefit the environment by reducing carbon dioxide emissions and benefit your wallet by saving energy. Lower collision repair costs and prevent accidents with the protective light grid system with touchless sensors. Improve your working environment by reducing unhealthy wind drafts using speed and tight seals. Configure your door to make it an exact fit to your business needs. Size, tracks, window placements and color options are just some of your numerous customizable choices. The Crawford OH1042S, engineered to be your complete door solution.